All right, everyone, this is going to be a fairly short video. I want you to share this. I want you to leave comments below. What I'm about to do went viral on TikTok. It's got over 21 million views on my TikTok account. Follow me at TheSalonGuy there. But this is what I did, and this is a trick that can help you get that TikToker type of look, that hair flip you're all looking for. Okay, here we go. So your hair is dry. It has to be done on dry hair, okay? Maybe it's a bit flat like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hand like this. You can even spray in 1 spritz of Tidal Wave, okay? 1 spritz. You don't want the hair soaking wet. You just want a little bit of texture. You're gonna take your hand, all right? And what you're gonna do is run your fingers through your hair like this to make sure that there's no knots. Take your hand, bring all the hair back like this. What you need to do then is go in circular motion, like you're making circles on the head. And then look what happens. We've got all this texture, we've got all this volume, and then now we've got the hairstyle. Within a matter of seconds, you can then go back in and add some texture to it, style it. We've got the flips now. There we go. Problem solved in a matter of seconds, okay? In a matter of seconds, we've got the TikToker hairstyle that you all are looking for. Then you can finish it with some of my locked hairspray. You can piece it out. You can basically do whatever you want, all right? But if you're looking for a quick solution to get this, again, bring the hair all the way back, circular motion, okay? Circular motion right in through here because it's creating a little bit of a tease. That's how you're gonna get that volume. Then you can go back and look, there it is right there. Literally a matter of seconds. You gotta make sure you've got the right haircut, but even if you don't and it's a little bit longer here, you're gonna be able to get this texture in through here, right? You're gonna be able to get this texture and these flips all from doing that technique. Let me know if you've tried it. I know this is a quick video. Share it if you want, leave a comment, but thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.